इंग्लिश का पहला चैप्टर ए लेटर टू गॉड CBSE क्लास 10th इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज एंड लिटरेचर NCERT सॉल्यूशन फर्स्ट फ्लाइट ए लेटर टू गॉड पेज नंबर 5 ओरल कंपैरिजन चेक। पहला क्वेश्चन है व्हाट डिड लैंचो होप फॉर। इसका आंसर होगा लैंचो hoped for rains as then only he could get a better yield and thus feed his family. दूसरा क्वेश्चन why did Lancho say the raindrops were like new coins? इसका आंसर है Lancho's crops were ready for harvest as raindrop would have helped in getting a better harvest, resulting in more property. So Lancho compared them with new coins. तीसरा क्वेश्चन हाउ डिड द रैन चेंज। व्हाट हैपेंड टू लैंचो फील्ड्स। इसका आंसर होगा द रैन वाज pouring down but suddenly a strong wind began to blow, followed by a devastating hailstorm. All the crops in Lancho field were destroyed. चौथा क्वेश्चन What were Lancho feeling when the hail stopped? इसका आंसर होगा आफ्टर द hail stopped, Lancho's heart was filled with sadness. He was completely shattered. He could see a black future for him and his family. He was worried about lack of food for the coming year. Page number 6 oral comparison check. Lesson name A Letter to God. पहला क्वेश्चन Who or what did Lancho have faith in? What did he do? इसका आंसर होगा Lancho had faith in God. He firmly believed that God can see everything and even knows what his people have in their hearts. He strongly felt that God will definitely help him out of his situation. He wrote a letter to God saying that he needs some money to sow his field again. दूसरा क्वेश्चन Who read the letter? Answer The postman read the letter. तीसरा क्वेश्चन What did the postman do then? इसका आंसर होगा The postman was deeply moved by Lancho's faith in God. He did not want to disillusion the faith, so he decided to collect the money and also asked his colleagues to contribute so that he can Send it to Lancho. Page number 7. Overall comparisons check. Was Lancho surprised to find a letter for him with money in it? इसका आंसर है नो. Lancho was not all surprised to see the letter from God with money inside it. His confidence and faith in God was such that he had expected that God would definitely send money and help him out of his situation. दूसरा क्वेश्चन. What made him angry? इसका आंसर है when he finished counting money, he found only 70 pieces in it, but he had demanded 100 pieces. He was confident that God could neither make a mistake nor deny him what he had requested, so he was pretty sure that the post office employees must have taken the remaining 30 pieces. Think about the text. पहला क्वेश्चन. Who does Lancho have completed faith in? Which sentence in the story tell you this? आंसर होगा Lancho has completed faith in God. The following sentence prove his confidence. पहला. But in hearts of all who lived in solitary house in middle of the valley, there was single hope, help from God. दूसरा. All throughout the night, Lancho thought only of his one hope, the help of God, whose eyes, as he had been instructed, so everything, even what he deep in one's conscience. तीसरा. God, he wrote, if you don't help me, my family and I will go angry this year. चौथा. He wrote to God on the employees, put the letter inside and still traveled went to town. पांचवा. God could not made a mistake, nor could he had denied Lancho what he had requested. छठवां. It said God of money that I asked for only 70 project reached me. Send me that rest signs. I need it very much. दूसरा क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर दूसरा. Why does the postman send money to Lancho? Why does he sing the letter God? Answer. Postmaster was moved by Lancho's strong faith in the God, so he decided to send money to Lancho. Moreover, the postmaster did not want to disillusion him or sack his trust in God, so he singed the letter God. It was good flow of convey a message that God had himself written the letter. तीसरा क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर तीसरा. Did Lancho try to find out who had sent the money to him? Why not? Answer. No, Lancho did not try to find out who had sent him the money because he trusted God. His faith in God was so strong that he believed that only God could have sent him the money. चौथा क्वेश्चन, who does Lancho thinks has take the rest of the money? What is the Idno in the situation? Remember that the Idno of a situation in an unexpected aspect of it. An unique situation in stranger or emotion because it is the opposite of the what is expected. Answer. Lancho has had all his doubt on people working in the post office. The irony of the situation is that Lancho blamed those who had tried to help him out. In real life, also we come across such situation many a time. You could have tried helping someone and he may get a wrong message. Lancho thinks that the post office people have taken the money, but the fact is that they only tried to help him by sending money. But on the other hand, Lancho thinks that they have stolen his money. He even called them cook. Thus, there is an element of irony in the situation. Page number 8. पांचवा क्वेश्चन, are there people like Lancho in the real world? What kind of a person would you say he is? You may select appropriate word from the box to answer the question. Greedy, naive, stupid, ungrateful, selfish, comical, unquestioning. Answer. I don't think there can be any such people in the real world. Lancho is literature and yet he write a letter to God and even post it would without writing an address on it. So he cannot rightly be called naive and unquestioning. छठवां क्वेश्चन है, there are two kinds of conflict in the story between humans and nature and between humans and slaves. How are these conflicts illustrated? Answer. The conflict between humans and nature is so when Hailstorm struck the field and destroyed him far. As the crop get damaged, Lancho started feeling sad and gloomy and could foresee his dark future. This approaching project, the conflict between nature and man. The story also shows another conflict between humans themselves. Slaves, the postmaster, along with the help of colleges, could may to collect some money and then send it to Lancho. They were not related to Lancho in any manner. It was an act of kindness and self fairness on their part, even thought they did not a good deed. Lancho blamed them for taking away some amount of money. This so that man does not have faith in his fellow humans, thereby giving right to this conflict. Think about the language. पहला question number. There are different names in the different part of the word storm depending on their nature. Can you match the name in the box with their description below and fill them in black? You can use a dictionary help to you. पहला ग्ले, वाइलर, वाइंड, साइक्लोन, ह्यूरिकेन, टर्नेडो, तूफान. A violent tropic storm in which strong winds moving in a circle. इसमें होगा साइक्लोन. दूसरा एन एक्सट्रीमली स्ट्रांग वाइंड में होगा गैल. तीसरा ए वायलेंट ट्रॉपिकल स्टॉर्म विथ वेरी स्ट्रांग वाइंड, तूफान होगा. चौथा ए वायलेंट स्टॉर्म हुज सेंटर इन इज ए वुड इन ए शेप ऑफ ए फ्यूनेल, टार्नेडो होगा. पांचवा ए वायलेंट स्टॉर्म विथ वेरी स्ट्रांग वाइंड्स स्पेशली इन द वेस्टर्न अटलांटिक ओशियन, ह्यूरिकेन होगा. छठवां ए वेरी स्ट्रांग वाइंड दैट मूव वेरी फास्ट इन द स्पिनिंग मूवमेंट एंड कॉजेज ए लॉट ऑफ डैमेज, वेयर वाइंड होगा. दूसरा मैच द सेंटेंस इन कॉलम ए विथ ए मैसेजिंग ऑफ होप एंड कॉलम बी. जो इन प्रकार दिया गया है देख लीजिए आप लोग. उन सभी का आंसर होगा इस प्रकार. ए का ये होगा. दूसरे का ये, और दूसरे से लगाए पाँचवें तक का ये सब होगा. लेफ्ट साइड वाले का राइट साइड में दिया गया है. और छठवें का ये होगा. पेज नंबर 9. Join the sentence give below using who, whom, whose, which as situated. जो इस प्रकार क्वेश्चन दिए गए हैं इनको क्वेश्चन में हु, हुम और हुज लगाना है. तो पांचों का होगा इस प्रकार. चार का ये देख लीजिए. पांचों का यहाँ पेज नंबर 10 लिखा है उसके ऊपर तक दिया गया है. पांचों का आंसर हुम और हुज कहाँ कहाँ लगेगा देख लीजिए आप लोग. पेज नंबर 10. Find sentence in the story with negative words which express the following ideas emphatically. पहला The tree lost all their leaves. इसका आंसर the tree lost all their leaves. इसका जो देयर है वो इम्फैटिकली होगा. दूसरा, नॉट ए सिंगल लीप, उसका आंसर बड़ा है, देख लीजिए, पुनः देख लीजिए। द ट्रीज लॉस्ट ऑल देयर लीव्स, इसका आंसर है द ट्री लॉस्ट ऑल देयर लीव्स, नॉट ए सिंगल लीव्स रिमाइंडेड ऑन देयर ट्रीज। दूसरा क्वेश्चन, द लेटर वाज एड्रेस्ड टू गॉड हिमसेल्फ, आंसर इसका, द लेटर वाज एड्रेस्ड to God himself, it was nothing less than a letter to God. तीसरा क्वेश्चन, the postman said this address for the first time in the career, इसका आंसर है the postman saw this address for the first time in the career, never in his career as a postman had he know that address, page number 11. In pair find metaphors form the story to complete the table below. Try to say what question are being compressed on has been done for you. ये क्वेश्चन है सब NCERT का है और ये आंसर पहले का कूड का और ये उसके बाद का आंसर है, देख लीजिए आप लोग, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले लीजिए। ये उसका आंसर है, इसका कूड का, रैन ड्रॉप का, हेलिस्टोन का, लोकटेट का, कूड का, हेलिस्टोन का, लोकटेट का, लोकटस का, मैन का और ड्रॉप का। धन्यवाद। चैनल को इसी तरह वीडियो को देखने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबाइए ताकि ये वीडियो सबसे पहले आप तक पहुँचे।